What's going on, guys? Thought you just back again with another video. Today I'm just vlogging my vacation. I am in San Diego, California. I kind of forgot my tripod, so I don't have my tripod right now, so I'm just holding the camera because I accidentally forgot it. But I was gonna show you the airport and me leaving the house, but I was in a hurry. We were late getting to our flight. But here's the rental car place. I'll just show you around. You know, it's not too bad out here. I love the weather. It's nice. It's real nice out here, the weather. Nice and hot, and it's like 72 degrees right now. So this is just my vlog. I'll vlog some stuff what I do down here in San Diego. Right now I'm heading to our house that we're staying in, and I'll give you a room tour of the house. But currently we're stuck here for a minute because we kind of forgot my kids' car seat. So now we got to take the bus back to the airport to get the car seat. So I'll keep you guys updated on everything. But if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, oh, there's another bus. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know. Leave a like or comment down below.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh, she dreamed of paradise,
What's up, guys? So we are at the house. I'm gonna show you the new room, the house tour, the room tour. So this is my bedroom right here. You can probably see it in the mirror, but here's my view. We're in the house in the hills. House in the hills, baby. Alright, so this is my room right here. Walking. Some stuff. Door. Come over here. This is the master bedroom. Nice. Come over here. You got a sink. Two sinks. You got the closet. Can't really see the closet. Where's the light in this thing? Boom, right there. Closet. Decent closet. Got the bathroom. Look at the shower. Oh my god. That thing's huge. Look at it. Boom. Come over here. Another closet that just goes freaking clear back there. Nice. This house is like a freaking mansion. Alright, we gotta show you the ground because I don't want to show you what's out that window yet. Coming over here. So we got another bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. Let's turn the light on in here. Boom. Got some bucks up there. The the closet. Coming over here. So that's third room. Come over here. We got the fourth room. Yep. Right there. There's me. Fourth room. Just come on out. Come on out here. Now we are heading to the living room. So you got a nice TV there. Couch. You got a fireplace. Got another sink. Coming over here to the kitchen. Let's look outside real quick. Man, I would love to put a basketball hoop out there. I'll show you more when we get out there, but come over here. So we got this is probably where we eat right here. About 6 chairs. There's a door there. Here's the kitchen. Microwave, the oven. You got all this. That's my kid's medicine, you know, he's sick. This, you got the fridge here, nothing in it. Boom, LED light, twin cooling. Let's close that. You got the pantry. Nothing in there yet. Nothing. So that's the upstairs. 4 rooms. Let's head downstairs and see some of the crew we're with, huh? Oh, what's up? Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, what's up?
To the vlog here. We got a foosball table. Got my son. There he is. Say hi. There's my son. Coming over here. Got the pool table. Professionally pool table. Come over here. Oh no, what is this?
Sauna.
Is this a sauna?
Yeah.
They got a light up in here? We got a sauna. Sauna, look at that. A sauna in the house. Not on yet. Preheat sauna. Yep. Got like a downstairs living room right here. Let's go outside and check the front of the house here. Alright, so now we are outside. Yeah, pretty big house up there. So if you look down there, that's still the yard right there. Where all those rocks and stuff, trees. Yeah, I would definitely put like a half court all the way over there, half court, maybe even a full court basketball hoop. Put a big fence up so the ball can't fall into that neighbor's yard right there. So we're in the house in the hills. Look at this, San Diego, California. Coming over here. This is the front of the house. Driveway. We got a camera up there. Got like a 3-car garage. Look at that. Cactuses in the front yard. Come over here. Look at this. We can even take the steps down. I ain't even been down here yet, but take the steps to where my basketball court would be if I did own this house, you know. Boom. Oh, you hear that right there? Something's over there. Probably a bird. So yeah. Now for the big surprise I've been waiting to show you guys. Let's head back up these stairs. This is really nice house. This is the house tour, you know. So look at over there. There's like a street. Trees over there. Mountains. Houses on the hills. Let's go back in the house real quick and let me show you. Let me just show you the beauty of the house. Head back up these stairs now. Head up these stairs. Alright, here we go. Please watch your step. And boom. Are you coming out for the vlog or what? Boom, look at this. A pool. With the hot tub. Right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice right there. Yeah, that's the hot tub right there. Huh? Yeah, it's connected to the pool. Come over here. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a fire pit. Boom. Fire pit right here. Coming over here. That's where you sit out right there. Got some pines up there. Nice. Here's the view from the swimming pool. Sorry if it's a little blurry. because I don't have my tripod with me. You know, there's a fence to go down the stairs to where we've just at. And look at this. I like this part right here. Come up here. You got an outdoor grill built in to the cabinet with the sink. Then you come over here. Boom. TV right in here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's a TV. It's locked right now. I'll open it later. But yeah, got the toys over there for a swimming pool. But that's the house tour, guys. So if you enjoyed the house tour and you want to see anything out here or see me do anything in San Diego while I'm out here, let me know in the comments. If you like me vlogging, this is my first official vlog. If you like me vlogging, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Comment on what else you want to see me vlog. But anyways, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.